As nice as they come, guys. Fully loaded 2021 Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring with no options left off. Brand new tires all the way around, serviced out, ready to go in above average new shape. I'll give you a slow pan around it. It is all-wheel drive, power rear hatch, backup camera. It's even got the 360 sky view camera, backup sensors, no reason to hit anything. Did I tell you brand new tires? That's going to save you $900. It's got the touch to lock, touch to start. Look how new on the inside, guys. It has the technology package with automatic cruise control, lane guidance, collision avoidance, carbon fiber throughout. It's even got the upgraded captain chairs in the rear, and they're heated as well. There's your sunroof on top, easy access to the third row. There's your heated seats in the rear. Big 8-inch screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Look at your buttons. Look at your edges and your leather. Above average new. We've got it. Conover location. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no problem. Check us out at the website, tradingpostcars.com. That's tradingpostcars.com to apply. Put in your down payment information, and we'll get it done for you. 2021, new Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring, all-wheel drive, fully loaded, tired up, serviced out, ready to go. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, and an awesome CX-9 here at the Trading Post. 828-464-0600, or again, tradingpostcars.com. Get it before it's gone.